I want to talk about a recent success story we had with a client who originally tried to do their own divorce. If you know me, we talk a lot about people trying to do their own divorce and how half our business comes into us where people have started their own divorce, had it rejected, had issues, and had us fix it. And this is not a different situation here. They started their case in January 2020, and after months and months and years of trying to get it through the court and not being successful in that, they gave us a call. The success story I wanted to share is we were able to pick up their case. We did have to start from scratch, refile, amend. They had never served any paperwork officially, so they never started the clock with their divorce. But we were able, within one day, to prepare all their paperwork, have them sign it, get it notarized, and get it refiled with the court. And here we are 45 days later, and that's only because of procedural timeframes that we're able to work within. Submit their judgment for approval. It was approved in one day. And this has been one of the great things with Los Angeles County, greatly improved their process flow with allowing us to submit judgments electronically. So if you find yourself in this situation and you're either considering doing your own divorce, you've tried to do your own divorce and you've got stuck, give us a call. We can quickly remedy your situation, get everything reviewed, corrected, amended, and refiled and resubmitted, and we can do it very quickly.